For decades, drivers have leaned on one universal magic number: 32 PSI. It's printed on air pumps, repeated at gas stations, and passed around like gospel. But here's the problem. Following that number blindly could be destroying your tires, tanking your fuel economy, and putting your safety at risk. Today, we're breaking down the truth behind tire pressure, the hidden damage of using the wrong PSI, and I'll show you exactly how to find your car's true north in less than 2 minutes. Section 1. Why 32 PSI is a myth. Let's clear this up. There is no universal tire pressure. The 32 PSI standard is a relic, a general average that doesn't account for your specific car's weight, suspension, or tire size. Think about it. Would a compact sedan and a 3-ton SUV really use the exact same pressure? Of course not. Yet, thousands of drivers treat 32 like a magic bullet. And that's exactly where the trouble starts. Section 2. The science of silent damage. When your pressure is off, especially when it's too low, your tires stop behaving like they were designed to. Every time a tire rotates, the sidewalls flex. If the pressure is too low, that flex becomes excessive. Excessive flex creates heat, and a lot of it. Over time, that heat literally cooks the tire from the inside out, weakening the rubber and causing internal layers to separate. The scary part? You usually can't see this damage until the tire fails. Section 3. Warning signs you can't ignore. The damage might be internal, but your tires will give you clues. Watch for edge wear. If the outer shoulders are wearing fast in the center, your tires are underinflated. This is literally money wearing away on the asphalt. Sluggish handling. If the steering feels heavy or the car feels slow to respond. Reduced MPG. Low pressure creates rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder. Section 4. The 2-minute fix step by step. Let's fix this properly. Forget the magic number and follow these steps. Find the blueprint. Open your driver's side door. Look for the tire and loading information sticker on the door frame. This is your car's specific cheat sheet. Read the specs. Look for the recommended PSI for the front and rear tires. These numbers were chosen by engineers specifically for your vehicle's design. The sidewall trap. Look at your tire sidewall. You'll see a PSI number there too. Ignore it. That is the maximum pressure the tire can hold before it's at risk of bursting, not the recommended pressure for your ride. Check them cold. Always check pressure before you drive, or at least 3 hours after parking. Driving heats up the air, which expands and gives you a fake, high reading. Adjust and repeat. Use a reliable gauge to match the sticker's numbers. Don't forget to check your spare tire while you're at it. Section 5. The real-world payoff. When your pressure is dialed in, everything changes. You get better grip, shorter braking distances, and a much smoother ride. Your tires are the only part of your car touching the road. If that contact patch is wrong, your control is compromised. Don't just set it to 32 and drive away. Take 30 seconds to check your door sticker. It's a small step that saves you thousands in the long run. Drive smart, stay safe, and take care of your car, because it takes care of you. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more practical DIY tips that actually work. See you in the next one.